Is a keto diet going to cost me more than the way I eat now? Can you do keto on a budget? And I get this quite a lot. So it is possible to follow a keto diet on a budget, although you just need to strategize a little bit more. Here are some of the tips that helped me when I first started out. So you obviously want to make the most of keto foods on sale and buy more quantity when you find a good deal. And Costco is probably my favorite grocery chain when it comes to eating keto. Now, buying locally or shopping online for bargains is another. Buy cheaper cuts of meat and discover ways to cook. You can check out farmers markets or small shops around your area. Get creative, guys. Also, because you will be feeling more satiated, you'll be eating less and not spending money on junk food, snacks, and eating out. So you probably will end up saving in the long run. And when you factor in the cost of long-term health conditions, any diet which supports your health, like keto, is immensely cheaper than medical bills and lost quality of life. So I guess you really just have to ask yourself, how much is your health and happiness worth?